More officials with ties to the Duterte administration get the boot in the ongoing revamp under the Marcos administration. But perhaps today's biggest announcement is CIDG Chief Nicolas Torre III becoming PNP Chief. Mobile journalist Julie Baiza has tonight's big story.
Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin once again made the announcement of the latest cut from the cabinet revamp under the Marcos administration. First to go in the second wave of reset, Solicitor General Menardo Guevara. He was replaced by Darlene Berberabe, who took her oath today before President Marcos. Berberabe is the Dean of the UP College of Law. Before this, she was Chief Executive Officer of Pag-ibig Fund under the administration of the late Noynoy Aquino. She was actually applying for the post of Supreme Court Associate Justice Mario Lopez, who is set to retire on June 4. But Bersamin says President Bongbong Marcos found Berberabe's achievements more valuable as the country's top lawyer.
Si Soljan Guevara has been there since the beginning, no? And maybe it is time for him to go to another venture. And so the president accepted his resignation to allow for fresh blood to come in.
Bersamin clarified that Guevara's departure from the Marcos cabinet had nothing to do with his recusal from cases challenging the arrest of former President Rodrigo Duterte by the International Criminal Court.
If you recall, there was a strong clamor for the termination or removal of Solicitor Guevara at the time. The public perception that gave rise to this clamor must have been about his taking the opposite side of the issue. But you know, he and the president had a conversation about this, and the president respected his ethical decision to recuse. Now, if there was a reservation about his professionalism at that time, the president could have already removed him. But the president continued to repose trust in him.
Another big announcement on Thursday, new PNP Chief, Major General Nicolas Torre. The CIDG chief who was a frontliner in the arrest of Kingdom of Jesus Christ founder Apollo Kibuloy and former President Digong. Torre replaces retiring top cop General Romel Marbil on June 2. Marcos's Executive Secretary cannot say if Torre's ascent to the PNP was because of these events.
Wala akong may bigay na detalye dyan, ano? You know, the appointment of elements of the officers of the PNP, there has to be kept confidential. Okay, we should respect that confidentiality, but it's the president's discretion, which I consider to be absolute, because he is actually the well, you cannot consider that commander-in-chief kasi civilian yan, no? Pero more or less, ganun.
Meantime, President Marcos has also accepted the resignation of Commission on Higher Education Chair Prospero De Vera. He will be replaced by CHED Commissioner Dr. Shirley Agrupis, previous president of the Mariano Marcos State University in Ilocos Norte. Bersamin did not offer any explanation about De Vera's departure from the cabinet, only noting that he had already served in CHED for 2 terms. The ES was also pressed for answers on the fate of other cabinet executives. Bersamin confirmed that the president did not accept the courtesy resignations of Justice Secretary Boying and Interior Secretary John Vic Remulla, as well as Defense Secretary Gibo Teodoro.
How about Secretary Gibo Teodoro po?
Hindi rin. Gusto mo bang lamunin tayo, no?
So yung po tatlo, dinecline na po ng Pangulo?
Yeah, definitely. Declined na yan.
Si Secretary Boying Remulla and Secretary...
declined yung resignation niyan.
Mobile journalist Julie Baiza, We Are One News.